Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 3, Tennessee Williams play A Streetcar Named Desire, 1947, scenes 7 through 11, 1,000 words, 120 points. Okay, let's scroll down and survey this assignment. What do we have first? We have an illustration of Freitag's pyramid. You watched a video last week in discussion 2 about Freitag's pyramid and its different steps. But I have this handy illustration for you here, as well as a definition of the word plot. Okay, let's scroll down some more. We can see we have 3 links. We have the timeline, the assignment purpose, and the discussion rubric. I will be clicking on the timeline and reviewing the due dates for this assignment. I'm going to ask you to click on and read the assignment purpose on your own, and also the discussion rubric, which is extremely important. It explains how I evaluate your work in the discussion. Okay, scrolling down, surveying the assignment, we can see it has a part 1 and it also has a part 2. Okay, I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to read part of the part 1 directions so that these directions are clear to you. In 750 words, 3 pages, answer these 5 questions about scenes 7 through 11 of Tennessee Williams' 1947 play, A Streetcar Named Desire. Number your responses 1 through 5. Okay, as you know from my notes in the previous discussion 2, the video I also created for you for discussion 2, this is a link to Tennessee Williams' play, A Streetcar Named Desire. If this link is inactive, if it doesn't work, simply scroll up and click on Pages here to find the play, and then click on View All Pages, and scroll down until you find the play. And we will see it right here, A Streetcar Named Desire. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow once. I'm going to click on the back arrow one more time to get into the discussion. One other thing I will mention to you that I also mentioned in our video for discussion 2 is that sometimes things move around on the net, and this link and also the link in Pages may not be active. If that is the case, go into Google and simply type in Tennessee Williams' name and the name of the play, and it'll pop up right away. Okay, so the 5 questions you have to answer are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have links with terms like antebellum, pulchritude, symbolic, and ironic that you may want to click on and review. Okay, let's go down to part 2. Write a minimum of 125 words, half a page, in response to 2 peers' postings for a total of 250 words, 1 page. What should you write about? Compare your answers to the questions with your peers' answers, okay? And the answers to the questions, of course, are questions 1 through 5 right here. Okay, I'm going to scroll up the page and I'm going to click on the timeline and review it with you. So our timeline for this assignment is post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think that you cannot meet this timeline, come over here to Inbox and email me, let me know what's going on, and I'll do my best to help you. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow. So I'm back into this assignment, discussion 3, and I'm going to remind you that I'm here in Inbox. If you have any questions or concerns, email me. Never hesitate. You're never emailing me too much. If something's not clear to you, email me until I make it clear. I love hearing from you and I care about your learning, so you're never bothering me here, okay? Email me when you need to. Okay, let's get started on discussion 3.